got to remove this gate here. So we're going to go ahead and undo that bolt and the same on this side, and that will free all of this to come out. Alright, I'm going to try to record this one-handed. Time to get things started here. So we ease the forks under. You want to get in as far as you can, and then lift it on up. But we're only going 5 minutes down the road, so it'll be okay. Okay, here we are at the recyclers. Very important thing, put the truck in neutral, not in park. So it's a parking brake. You don't want to wear out that park pin. Very important, make sure this little tab locks down. I may or may not have destroyed a gate by having one of those pop up. As you can tell, it's been re-welded. So, both of these are good here. Now we'll just go press a button and not do any hard work. Hard. These people here always like to get huffy about where you dump it. You got all this area, all of it is where you dump it, and if you're 2 inches off whatever spot they have in their imagination, they like to freak out. So just something to know. And you definitely don't want to be standing anywhere near or in between there, because you'll see in a minute how this can be a little bit. So we can throw that in the bed. Back here, make sure it all made it out. progress update. We are about halfway done, and we had some technical difficulties. Apparently these 2x4s couldn't withstand my working style, so we're down a board. I'm probably going to replace these with some square tubing, some steel, so that won't happen again. So it's about noon, so hopefully we'll be done by 2:30. Alright, we only have we got a full load here, and then this one right there, the trailer sitting, that needs to go, and that sidewalk needs to go. So I gotta take this load and then fill up and do one more load, but I have to run to Winter Park now to go get something inspected. So this will come to a halt. I'll come back to it later. Hopefully I can get it all before 5 o'clock. That way the recycler is still open, but making good progress. Time to unhook and go run around and then get lunch. So the recyclers is closed now. It's about 5:45. They close at 5, so we'll probably be done next 20 minutes. So I'm gonna leave the trailer here overnight and the machine here, and I will come back early in the morning, take this load, get it emptied, and then load up the machine and be out of here.